How to add search bar gadget layout on your website or blog on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger. This is the homepage and the dashboard, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click on this layout option and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is just click on add a gadget and then search for blog search. I'm gonna hand, here is it right here, click on it and now change the title and click save. Now we have the search bar on this sidebar right here on our website. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.